Poppy Thabada chemical amasung fertilizer ka HENNA Shijinaba Maramna Leibak-Leihao Shing Asi huga Pangkhak Oire HAINA Manipur LEINGAK Department of Horticulture and Soil Conservation ki Commissioner THAITHULING PAMEI na PHONGDORAKLI Wafam Asi Regional Center for Organic and Natural Farming na Manipur Organic Commission Agency ga kusamnaduna pangthokpa one-day regional conference on organic farming gi thauramda mahakna phongdokhibani. Hotel Imphal da pangthokpa thauram aduda chief guest ki warol piraduna THAITHULING PAMEI na hai state asida hojik tongan ba issue kaya thengnaraga chatli masigi manungda mayai kaba chinjaki chaitheng chawna mayoknari issue asi mayoknaduna kharada oirabasu safahange hairabadi state asida organic farming gi achauba ihau ama sagatpa mathau tai loinana organic farmers sing masing henna thoraknaba honaba chungani state asida poppy pambi thabagi chatnabi ama pak sanna leirakta nate poppy pambi thabada chemical amadi fertilizer gi chang asi aduki matik wangna sijinai masina maram oiraga Leibak-Leihao Shing Asi huga Pangkhak Oire poppy pambi thabagi thawong asi henna pakthok chawthorakpa amasu oiri poppy thafamga naknana lawu singu amadi mahai marong thariba farmer singna pothok ningthina puthokpa ngamdabagi wakat leitaba nate poppy pambi bu thakrabadi mafam adugi leihauda hu chenbagum tawre haibasi farmer singi wakat amani poppy thaduna leihauda hu chelhanba haibasi khudakta phakigadaba nate masidi chahi kaya leihauda hu oina adumak lehonggadoribani sikimna organic pothok puthokpada mangjil thaba state ama oiba ngamli matang asida hainingbadi organic farming gi matangda sikimda leiriba potential adudagi tadana manipur da su lei organic farming gi machat asi integrated farming gi model tung induna henna wangpa thak amada pukhatnaba hotnasi madugi damak tongan ba institute singa khusam naba mathau tai organic integrated farming model asi chatharabadi farmer sing dasu income henna lakpaga loinana state asigi senmitlon hengat hanba ngamgani haina THAITHULING PAMEI na makhatana phongdokhi conference hodokpagi thauram aduda Department of Horticulture and Soil Conservation gi director K Devdatta Nabat Manipur gi general manager Partha Mandal RCONF ki regional in charge VY Diogare amadi CAU gi extension education gi director professor PH Ranjit na president member sing oina sarukyakhi.
So many issues, especially the issue of the scores of drugs which have affected thousands of our youth, families. This practice of poppy plantation, have poisoned our soil. I'm sure experts have gone and seen the area where poppy planters have planted poppy. They use high dose of so many chemicals, not only fertilizers. I've seen and I have talked to the farmers who have taken up farming subsequently in the same area where poppy was planted, and they said that it is almost impossible to grow anything else after poppy has been planted. The way poppy was planted was to maximize the produce. Therefore, they use extensive and intensive methods of maximizing it to the extent of spoiling or the soil or poisoning the soil for years to come.